What is up, great people? So today I am going to make me this for dinner. I saw this in Walmart, and actually it wasn't really expensive. I have to find my receipt so I can tell you how much it was. I have to post it in the description. But it has calamari, shrimp, mussels, octopus, and imitation crab meat. That's the only thing. So if you really want real crab, you're going to have to add it. And it's already cooked. So how am I going to prepare this today? Well, I got my savories over there sauteing in butter, olive oil, and bacon fat right now. And I have 1 can of chicken broth because this is cooked, you don't want to overcook it, but it's frozen, so it's going to take a little longer to cook because I just brought it home. Oh, and I got some kimchi that I'm going to add, and I'm going to add some Old Bay to it. But I'm going to get my seasonings right, my liquid right, and I have 1 bag of cauliflower to add to it. I'm sorry if you hear another noise. This is my bag of cauliflower, and I'm actually going to cook that in the pot before I add the liquid. Just get that on it. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some Old Bay seasoning and then taste it and adjust it. And I'm not doing an eating video with this because this I'm experimenting. But the next time I make it, I will. So I'll just have pictures for you to see. But yeah, the things you discover. All right. I'll be back later. So I just wanted to show you in my pan. This is, I guess, it's called a cassolette or something. I've been wanting one of these pans for a long time. But you see my savories, they're cooking, softening, and then, like I said, I'm gonna add my cauliflower, season it, and then we'll build from there. All right. So you see, I've added the cauliflower to the pan, and now I'm using chicken broth. 1 can. Hopefully that'll do it. We'll get that to boiling, and then I'll add the that seafood mix. I tasted my seasonings, so they taste good thus far. Of course, you know, I'll taste it again after we give that stuff some time to. All right, so we got our bowl on. This is what it looks like inside the bag. We're gonna cook the whole bag because, you know, if you try to pull out a portion, you don't know if you would get a nice blend. This way, it's cooked. What I don't eat today, I can eat tomorrow. Maybe I'll eat my leftovers with y'all. All right, so you see the calamari and imitation crab and shrimp and mussels. So we're going to put the lid back on this and let this come up to a boil. Let this cook, and then I'll turn it down, and then we'll let this cook. Then I'll taste the flavors to make some adjustment. All right, so it's done, and this is what it looks like. This is the broth. So why I have it in this little thing right here is I wanted to test something out. So I got a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Of course, I would want to warm this up, but I'm just only going to put a little bit in. Sorry, that was out of focus. To see what that does to it. And it's pretty hot, so it just won't cool it down. Right, so we're going to taste it. Because I was like, what if I add some cream to the sauce? Not the whole thing, though. Let's taste that broth. Sorry, let me turn this way. Let me have a little more light. Sorry. Shut the front door. It got a little heat in it, too. My mind said that cream would set it off. Ooh. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I like that little bite. The heat back there. Mmm. Cauliflower is tender. Let's see. I don't think I got a mussel in here. Here's some octopus. Did it say octopus or calamari? Calamari. And you know, you got to be careful with that calamari. You overcook that jank? I know, I'm sorry. You see those 3 holes up there? Yes, honey. That's why I had some water damage. So we're waiting for those repairs, so. Sorry, I'm standing in my kitchen. I'm tasting. All right. I'm about to plate this up. That cream did the job, but I'm not going to add it to the whole thing. Just in case I want to freeze it. Mmm. 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 Woo, I love it when a plan comes together.